Finding the right bed rack for your Jeep Gladiator can make all the difference for your off-road and overlanding adventures. Whether you are hauling heavy gear, mounting a rooftop tent, or organizing tools, a solid bed rack will transform your truck's functionality. In this video, we will review 5 of the best options available, breaking down their features, durability, and practical applications. And remember, the links to each product are in the description below. Fab Fours offers a rugged, expandable bed rack built from 12-gauge steel with stainless steel hardware. It features multiple tie-down points, 10 integrated pod mounts, and a roof access step for added convenience. This rack is perfect for Jeep owners seeking durability and modularity for various gear setups. Its sturdy design and vehicle-specific fit ensure a seamless installation, while the integrated mounts make adding accessories like lights and rooftop storage a breeze. If you prioritize toughness and adaptability, Fab Fours has you covered. The Plus Truck Bed Rack is designed to fit Jeep Gladiator and other mid-size pickups. Built from heavy-duty 1/8-inch thick carbon steel with a black powder coat finish, this rack is weather-resistant and incredibly sturdy. It offers built-in mounting points for endless customization. Whether you are installing a rooftop tent, recovery boards, or other adventure essentials, the upgraded design is larger and more robust than previous versions, and its bolt-on installation makes setup straightforward without the need for drilling. For those seeking versatility and durability, this rack delivers. Yakima's Overhaul HD system is perfect for hauling rooftop cargo, kayaks, or ladders. It features an adjustable height design, allowing you to adapt the rack to different load sizes. Built from heavy-duty aluminum with a powder coating, it handles up to 500 pounds on-road and 300 pounds off-road. It includes tie-down points, T-slot attachments, and integrated locks for added security. Yakima's long-standing reputation for quality and ease of use shines through, making this an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want a balance of strength and convenience. Hooke Road's bed rack is a great fit for Jeep Gladiator with factory bed rails. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, this rack is corrosion-resistant and built to last. It supports 400 pounds of dynamic load and 800 pounds of static load, making it ideal for rooftop tents and heavy gear. The side panels feature multiple cutouts for mounting various accessories, and the bolt-on installation requires no drilling. If you want a rack with impressive load capacity and easy customization, Hooke Road is a reliable option. Tyger Auto's Overland Truck Bed Rack is a top-tier choice for Jeep Gladiator. It boasts a patented design with over 100 mounting positions for tools, accessories, and camping gear. Made from 3mm thick carbon steel with diagonal bracing, it supports up to 700 pounds statically and 400 pounds dynamically. The rack is easy to assemble and works with or without utility bed rails. With its abundant mounting options and heavy-duty construction, Tyger Auto's rack is perfect for Jeep owners looking to maximize storage and adventure potential. Choosing the right bed rack comes down to your specific needs: load capacity, customization options, installation ease, and material durability. Whether you prioritize strength for heavy loads, modularity for gear organization, or simplicity in setup, one of these racks will suit your lifestyle. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more or make a purchase, and do not forget to subscribe for more reviews on top-notch truck accessories.